Hi everyone, did you do a Matric exam rewrite and you're wondering how to get your results? I'm Shakira and I'll be guiding you on how to get your Matric rewrite results. People in South Africa are allowed to rewrite their Matric examination in order to obtain a Matric certificate, or if they want to improve their current Matric results. To rewrite Matric, you would need to register on the Department of Basic Education's website for a rewrite or head to a district office. If you've already done your Matric rewrite and you want your Matric rewrite results, you can access your Matric rewrite results by visiting the district office or the exam center you wrote at. You can also go to the Matric exam results website, enter your examination number and other personal details. Click search and your results will appear on the screen. If you are not happy with your Matric rewrite results, then you can request to have it rechecked or remarked. This will ensure that your scripts are further checked to ensure that all questions are marked properly and that all marks are correctly calculated. There are different opportunities to rewrite Matric, such as National Senior Certificate supplementary exams, which are usually in March, the National Senior Certificate Progressed Learners Rewrites. This means learners who wrote the NSC the previous year but did not sit for all 6 subjects, which are usually in June. And then the part-time NSC candidates rewrite. This refers to learners who attempted the NSC examination after 2015, which are usually in November. If you want further support to make sure you're prepared, you can apply online through the Second Chance program website. The Second Chance program provides various study materials and face-to-face classes. There are also a bunch of Matric rewrite colleges such as Boston City Campus and TVET colleges to attend to help you prepare for your rewrite. Let us know in the comments below what your post-Matric plans are, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more. Thanks for watching and see you next time.